So right now we're going.
Sneaking into our neighbor's room. But don't worry.
Normal.
We know them.
I like.
And we're gonna scare the fucking shit out of them. Wait, let me get my iPod.
I have to put flip flops on.
I'm not. You're gonna slip.
Okay. Pick a song. What song are we fucking playing?
Let's play
Bands make her dance.
That one too.
Or true.
Our troop.
Flip flops are probably a bad idea.
What's a song that we can fucking...
Yeah, but you just gotta pick one right now.
Okay.
How about that?
No, I think these are a better idea.
It's okay.
This is our bedroom, guys.
This is revenge.
Aw, shit. That's my phone.
Bands make her dance. Guys, don't fall.
Guys, don't fall.
Oh my god, I'm excited.
Bang.
They did it again.
Again. I'm gonna pee.
I'm scared. What if they have like a knife or something?
Do more.
Your turn, your
No,
turn.
I can't.
Why? Do it, you pussy. We told you.
Oh my god, maybe it's that one. Open that side.
No, it's not.
Remember, ours is opposite.
Why is it opposite? Why is it opposite?